Hello everyone, welcome in the new tutorial of this team mastering ChatGPT with the PowerPoint presentation. So as committed, I have updated all these answer marking my red circle. And now in this tutorial, we are going to discuss more or related to the career counseling and the discuss. So basically first I will ask you what do you mean by career counseling? Okay, and on which we are going to discuss. So it is relatively same. Career counseling basically refers to when you are trying at the end of the completing your studying or exams, then after you may ask that what kind of field you have to choose. So in India, if I talk basically, here are after the 10th standard, like once you complete your 10th standard examination or at the age of the 16, they are generally transferring into the higher schooling education. Okay, and in that they have to select either science, commerce or arts, or they can select there are a number of fields are available. In some of the countries it is called as a STEM education, right? So there are the lots of the discussions are going on that which field we have to select and what is the scope in the future. So related to this point only, let us start asking to the ChatGPT only. What is their view? Hello ChatGPT. We are starting our new conversation. So as we discussed, I am going to ask the questions to the ChatGPT. I am completing my schooling and I am in the 10th standard in India. You can mention your country and your requirement here. Now I want your guidance in the topic of a career counseling. Can you please help me? So here the ChatGPT will revert, and also I want to know demanding stream which I must have to think, which is now revolving and the scope of that is too high. Can you please give me your thoughts? So let us ask that part and wait for the answer. Here, ChatGPT has classified in such a way that first, he wants that self-assessment. Take some time to assess your interest, strength, and values. Think about what subject you enjoy the most, what activities make you feel fulfilled, and what goals you have for future. Also, research. Explore the different career options and fields of study. Look into the requirement, job prospect, growth opportunity, and various industries. Considering Consider talking to the professionals in field you are interested in to gain insight into their experience. Consider your skills. Think about your skills and talents. Generally, more inclined if you are more inclined to the STEM, like science, technology, engineering, and math subject, or do you excel in creative field, art or humanities? Your strength can guide you towards the suitable career path. Future trends. So, as we asked that what is the future trend, so it is giving us the data as IT and computer science, healthcare, renewable energy and environmental sustainability, business and finance, creative industries. So these are the things which are currently evolving in this to today new era. And also it is taking telling us that to seek the guidance from the teachers, mentor, counselor. So these are the few topics it has given. So now what we are going to ask to the ChatGPT as a part of a self-assessment. So as a part of a self-assessment, my interest is in science and research. I generally opens a new electrical toys and plays with small motors. I like this aspect of engineering. So I'm just writing this kind of questions so that you may think like how you can ask to the ChatGPT. So this is not my personal or may personal, but you just this is the way of asking. So let us ask this part and then wait for the answer. So as we have provided, like we are interested in these electrical motors, so now it is giving us this idea about electrical engineering. This field focus on designing, developing and testing electrical system and device. So basically what are the different fields are available and what are that consist of. So electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, robotics engineering, which consist of both the part. Then renewable energy. So currently the world is transforming themselves to the energy available like solar energies, wind energies. So these are the things. Then R&D, I can also do the R&D in these kind of topics, academic research, entrepreneurship. So these are the basic things the ChatGPT has answered me, right? Now we will ask more about the electrical. I want to know more about the electrical engineering. Okay. Electrical engineering consists of core concepts like circuit, electromagnetism, electronics, digital signal processing, control systems. Its applications are generally into the electronic, semiconductor, telecommunication, networking. So these are the career paths. Now it is guiding. These are the design engineer, power engineer, electronic engineer. These are the different types of engineers are required in the current markets. And for that purpose, what are the skills required? Like MATLAB, strong analytical skill, physics, education. So these are the few things which is required. So I hope now you are clear how we are asking and what we are asking to the ChatGPT. So this is the just one example, like how you can take the advantages of the ChatGPT for the career counseling and related discussion. So, and currently now the world is changing to the AI, artificial intelligence. So if you can able to combine these two fields like electrical engineering and AI, then you are the above level for everyone else. So this is good, and you are at the right time and the right place to learn about the ChatGPT. And I hope these are the career counseling topics you like. And now we are going to ask, once you complete this graduation program, then if you want to think about the how to go for the studying abroad and what are the countries are available, either you are coming from US to India, or you want to go from India to Canada or UK or anywhere. So how, what are the documents are required? So this we are going to talk in the next tutorial. See you then.